Hi everyone, welcome back to BIMKLUE Revit tutorial. In this session, we're going to continue to model our piping over this toilet, inside this toilet here. And then we're going to start to model our sanitary piping, okay? So let's continue. We're going to change this pipe size to 25 because we already reduced the pipe size due to this tee-off for the sink pipe here. Then of course we're going to create another pipe here, create similar, and then we're going to 20 mm tee off. Where should we place our washing machine? Okay, we're going to place our washing machine over here, this corner here. Okay. Then from this cut section here, go to view, then we're going to draw the piping down to here. Then the height of the piping reserved for the connection is 1.2 meter. Then we cap this end here, ready for the connection of the water tap. We're going to place our water tap later, okay? Then from this view here, we're going to create our piping. Create similar. I'm going to have a 20 mm pipe. Or we're going to straightaway draw the pipe here. Then of course there will be a water heater here. We're going to model it later. Create similar. I'm going to, from the water heater, create another pipe here. Then tee off to the sinky. And then to the shower head, okay? This is basically this hot water piping. And then this is the cold water piping, okay? I'm not going to mix it up. It's cold water piping. Create similar again. 25 mm. We will tap to here. Then basically the rest need to tee off. Create similar again. Tee off the 20 mm pipe to here, then to here. Basically the right hand side will be cold water, left hand side will be hot water, okay? We change this to 25 mm. Okay, this is 25 mm. We change the rest here to 32. This is 25, 25. Okay, basically this is all 25. We need to increase the size because there's a lot of fittings here. We're going to change this to 32 mm, okay? So this 32 mm, then this 25, then this is 25 also, okay? Then we're going to draw this down to the hand blade. Okay, that's all. Then we need to assign our piping system. Basically, click on this. You can see the property palettes here. This is hydronic supply. You can always change to domestic cold water. And then this will be hot water, okay? Domestic hot water, okay? So don't worry why your view is lost. You can always go to the visibility graphic by going to view, and then the visibility graphic over here. The view filter here. Make sure you disable the filter. Okay, then you can see your piping over here. This is hot water, then this is cold water, okay? And of course there is also a okay, this is 20 mm. Okay, we change this to 20 mm here. And before that we need to tee off first. This is 20 mm. 20 mm. Then click on plus sign. If you click on the elbow here, you can see the little plus sign here. If you click on this plus sign, you will upgrade your elbow to from elbow to T. Okay. If you click on this minus signs, so it will downgrade it to elbow. Okay. So very easy to use. If you click on the plus sign here, the T will be directed to that area. Okay. So undo. Click on here, plus sign here, then you draw pipe. Right click, draw pipe, you change to 20 mm. So the cold water will be here. You need to lower down the hot water piping. If you not lower down the hot water piping, I want to draw my pipe here, it will be intersecting and clashing. Okay. So how's the 3D view looks like? Reload it down. The 3D view looks like this. This is clashing. We need to lower down our hot water pipe. Lower down to 2.7. So it won't clash. Okay. To go back to level 1 again, then cold water is at the right hand side, hot water at the left hand side. Okay, just draw the pipe to here. Then the hot water, just create similar 20 mm pipe, draw from here to here, and from here we click on the plus sign, then draw a pipe 20 mm from here to here. Okay, then the rest of the thing is just using your cut section view to complete your piping, dropping down from ceiling up to the fitting points. Okay, so here, then we plug it. Click on this, and then we cap open end. Just draw pipe. Cap it. Repeat the same step. Just repeat. Then we're going to adjust the height later. Okay, we just leave it like this. Then from here, of course, we need to serve the hand bidet by going down. Tee off, serve the hand bidet. Just align it to the height of the hand bidet. Just draw a line here, and then align it to here. You can align it to here. Okay, I'm not going to connect it first. If you want to connect it, you can also do so by going to collaborate, copy monitor, select link. I'm going to point to this architecture link file. I'm going to copy this. Just select this hand bidet. You can copy the hand bidet from the architecture model to this plumbing model. Okay, if you successful copy, you click on here, you can actually access this hand bidet, and then you can start to edit your family by adding in the piping connector here. So I'm going to brief you piping connector later, okay? Just leave it here at the moment. Then of course you need a tee off to your tee off here. Create similar. A tee off here to your water closet, okay? Just rotate your section view, viewing here. So this is the pipe dropping down. We're going to serve it to the flush waft here, okay? Of course, we don't have the flush waft model here. We're going to reserve this pipe over here and end cap it. Cap it. Okay. Then the mixer, the shower mixer. So this is the hot water, this is cold water. We're going to draw it down. So rotate it back, pull it down, draw pipe to the mixer. Cold water pipe also, draw it down to the mixer. Going to align it. Of course, to pull it back further. Okay. Then we go back to the front view. Let's check here, okay? These two pipes connect to this mixer. Then automatically there will be a pipe up from the mixer. We're going to just use the copy function. The pipe from the mixer up, connect to the hand shower and this rain shower here, okay? So the diverter is here. I'm just going to stop it over here. Of course, the detailed connection, you need to refer to this catalog. What should be the correct way of connecting this mixer? You need to refer to the catalog, okay? Then at the moment, we just roughly make a connection here to show you how to model the piping, okay? So this is your, when you will not be able to select this pipe behind this hot water pipe, you can always press the tab key to circulate your selection. Until you can be able to select this pipe here, you can start to move your pipe from the mixer and go up to your diverter, okay, the diverter here. And of course, the detail connection you need to double check, okay? Then from level 1 again, you rotate it, go to view, then you need to standardize the height of the piping. First of all, you draw a line here. You can go to this annotate, then detail line, then draw a line here. Then you select this line, use the offset function to offset it to 450 mm. Okay, this will be the height of the piping. Then you use the align tool to align your piping, or you just move it up. To 450, okay? Use the align tool to align it. If you can't align, then you just move it up. 450 is supposed to be the standard height of this hot water and cold water outlets, okay, inlets. Then dimension 2, this will be the 450 mm, okay. The hand bead normally we place it at 600 mm height because there will be a flexible hose. We don't want the hose to touch the floor. Then it should be set on 600 height, okay. Then most likely there will be a flexible hose connection from the water tap to this hot water and cold water point, okay. So go back to level 1. Then we need to add a stopcock over here. The PA to access the pipe accessories, place a stopcock here, and change the diameter to 40 mm. Okay. Then this will be a water heater. Of course, we need to put in the valve here. Most likely this will be 20 mm. Okay, this is also will be 20 mm. Okay, because standard outlet for this heater will be 20 mm. We change all the piping to 20 mm. Then we place our gate valve PA. We place 15 mm. Okay. Just place over here, here, or change this to 25. Okay, also can be done. Okay. So the water heater here, we can continue to model the water heater over here. So okay, I have prepared my storage water heater here. Okay, of course you can model your own storage water heater by using the family editor. Okay, if you click on this edit family, you can see this storage water heater, and then these the properties of the water heater. You need to key in everything here. Then basically the creation of storage water heater are using this kind of tools here: extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, blend. Okay, this is a family editor environment which I have explained earlier. Okay, so we are using this, then we adding our pipe connectors. These are the pipe connectors. So if you want to know more on family editor, you can always visit to our course page and enroll to our course. We will teach you step by step on how to model our mechanical equipments. Okay, so we place our storage water heater to the correct height. Of course, we need to make use of our section view here. We check the section view versus the piping arrangement. So move this storage water heater, mount on the slab. Okay, this is just nice space for the storage water heater. In fact, there might be insufficient space for the storage water heater over here. Okay, so detail coordination is very important in this case. If you have not enough space. Okay, so okay, this is the connection. Then align this to here. Then we're going to connect it to the from this section view. Okay, we're going to draw our piping here. Just draw pipe. Okay, go to this here. Just draw pipe. Draw pipe. Then connect to here. If you don't have sufficient space there, that's typical. Okay, just draw pipe to here, then continue draw. The space not sufficient, so we need to bend our pipe or lower it down, lower overall the piping, lower it down to match with this height. Then you can connect your pipe to your heater. Okay, then the hot water pipe, draw pipe, then connect to here. So if the space is not enough, then you need to figure it out how to bend your pipe. Let's see how we're going to bend our pipe. Just draw a pipe, draw it further, and sufficient space to form the elbow. Let's try 45 degrees. This is the 45 degrees bend. Then you align it to your piping. Okay, then we try to connect it now. Let's push it further away. It's 45 degrees or so. Push it further away. Okay, connect it over here. So that's how we connect all the piping here for these units. Okay, then of course you need to add your quarter tabs, and then after that you check a 3D view to have a feel on this piping connection, whether it's in order or not. Just lower it down, then you can see the 3D view. So this is your piping incoming, then go to the sink key, and then go to the box up, then go to the heater, or then go to this basin, and then water closet, then this shower head over here. Okay, so I guess that's all for this session. The next session will cover the sanitary piping here. Okay, so thanks for joining. Hi everyone, welcome to BIMKLUE Revit tutorial. In this series of video tutorial, we're going to focus on the MEP modeling of the HVAC services. We'll go through the modeling of the ducting, piping, fittings, accessories, and mechanical equipment. We're going to have a 19 session of tutorial, about 9 hours in total, guiding you from beginners to advanced levels. You will have a chance to learn from an industrial expert that experienced in Revit. This tutorial is based on actual project example of an office building. Therefore, you will have a solid experience of Revit modeling on the actual project after completing this tutorial. You will learn basic operation of Revit until the advanced modeling level. On top of that, we will share some technical knowledge of HVAC services and the actual equipment examples in this tutorial. The most important thing is there's no limitation and experience required for you to start with this tutorial. This is an example of our video tutorial. We have clear English subtitle, mouse click and keyboard display that will allow you to have a better understanding of the process throughout the tutorial. All you need to know about Revit HVAC modeling is covered in this tutorial here. Of course, we will provide you support along the way throughout the tutorials. Feel free to contact us if you need more clarification on the related topics. By completing this tutorial, you will know how to extract the useful information and quantity of the items used in the project for your maintenance and cost estimation purpose. You will also learn how to produce drawing sheets based on the models that you have created throughout the tutorials. Nowadays, BIM is a very important process and technology in the construction industry. Do not miss the chance to upgrade your skill for a better chance of career advancement. I gotta tell you that this step-by-step Revit tutorial is worth for you to go through. Either you are a beginner or a professional that always seeking a chance to improve yourself. Look, if you want to learn this, let's wait no more. BIMKLUE is also providing tutorials on structure, architecture, and MEP modeling. If you follow us along the way, you will surely become an expert on Revit modeling.